Utility is some sort of outcome. Utility is some sort of outcome. So it is called outcome based agent. You can say it is an outcome based. Goal alone are not enough to generate high quality behavior of most environment. For example, many action sequence will get the taxi to its destination, thereby achieving the goal. But some are quicker, some are safer, some are more reliable, some are cheaper than others. Goal just provide a crude binary distinctions between happy and unhappy state. So goal is from the source to the destination we have to reach. But the utility says that if we are reaching from source to destination, what we are achieving here? Are we achieving the quickness? Are we achieving the safety? Are we achieving the reliability? Are we achieving it is more cheaper? So what is my first utility, or what is my first, you can say the outcome, first behavior of it? A more general performance measure should be allow a comparison of different word state according to exactly how happy they would make the agent, because happy doesn't sound very scientific. Economists and computer sciences use the term utility. So utility is nothing but what type of outcome I am getting to reach the goal. After reaching the goal, what are the outcome I am getting? So if my performance measure is how quickly I am getting, I do not bother about safety. If I'm saying it is should be more reliable, I don't bother about the cheaper way of reaching there. Okay. So what type of performance measure I'm expecting from my agent to reach the goal? That is nothing but utility. That is nothing but utility. An agent utility function is essentially an internalization of the performance measure. So we do the analysis of the performance measure, and based on that, we'll see that we have achieved the goal or not. Sorry, we have achieved the performance or not. If we achieve the performance, then it is nothing but the utility. And the utility function will define like how we are achieving the performance, or how the performance will be measured. If the internal utility function and external performance measure are in agreement, then an agent that chooses action to maximize its utility will be rational according to the external performance measure. So we know about the rational behavior, right? Rational idle behavior. So how ideally we are reaching the goal. So our task is to choose those action which will maximize the utility. We have to choose those action which will maximize the utility. So it is just model based plus goal based plus utility. It means the performance. Okay. So the utility based agent is internally it is model based and goal based agent, as well as it should have the utility associated with it, the performance associated with it. Okay. So as you can see, what the word is look like, it is my current percept. It will make the state how the word evolve, what action to do. What if the action will look like it based on my goal, and then I'll put the utility on it. The utility will tell how happy I will be in that particular state if I'll do that particular action. So if my happiness will be go on, or if my utility measure will be go up, I'll perform that particular action through the actuator. Okay. So a model based utility based agent, it uses a model of the word along with the utility function that measure its uh, preferences among the state of the word. Then it chooses the action that lead to the best expected utility where expected utility is computed by averaging over all possible outcome state weighted by the probability of the outcome. So based on my outcome, based on my utility, based on my performance measure, I'll choose those particular action through my model based agent. Definitely, I should have this particular action to achieve my goal, right? To achieve my goal. Then only I should say that this is so. As I told you, it is a model plus goal plus utility or performance.